The Azad, Jammu and Kashmir High Court has dismissed a set of writ petitions filed by candidates seeking appointment as civil judges first class from the waiting list of the Public Service Commission, ruling that appointments could not be made against posts that were neither advertised nor requisitioned to the constitutional recruitment body. Full stop. Justice Chaudhry Khalid Rashid, while deciding five identical petitions through a single judgment, held that the waiting list prepared by the Public Service Commission could only be used for the limited purpose. For the limited purpose prescribed under Rule 13 of the Public Service Commission 1994, namely, when a selected candidate failed to join or was declared medically unfit. Full stop. The petitioners had contended that seven posts of civil judges advertised in 2022 were fewer than the actual available vacancies and alleged that several posts were deliberately withheld by the authority. Full stop. They argued that having qualified for the test and interview, they were entitled to an appointment either against the vacant, withheld post or based on general merit as per policy notification issued in 2003. Full stop. Rejecting these claims, the court observed that the law did not recognize the use of waiting list for filling fresh or unadvertised vacancies. First up, no one can claim appointment merely based on being placed on the waiting list. The judge noted, adding that court could neither add to nor subtract from statutory provisions. Foster. Justice Rashid further declared the notification dated March 2003 and January 2007, which allowed cross district appointments and future quota adjustments to be without legal backing. Full stop. He held that only rules framed under the Public Service Commission Act had statutory force and policy notifications issued by departments lacking rule making authority had no legal authority. First up, Justice Rashid also relied on recent judgment of the Supreme Court, including a 2023 ruling which categorically barred appointments beyond the number of advertised posts. First up, if two positions are advertised, only two appointments can be made. First up, the apex court had held a principle affirmed in the present case. First up, while dismissing the petitions, Justice Rashid expressed concern over repeated extensions of ad hoc appointments in the judiciary, observing that such practices ran contrary to service rules and apex court directions. Foster, he maintained that ad hoc appointments were meant to be temporary and subject to timely requisition of post to the Public Service Commission. First up, the judge directed the relevant authorities to immediately requisition all available posts of civil judges first class to the Public Service Commission, if not already done, and ordered the registrar to place the matter before the competent authority for compliance. First up, a copy of the judgment was also sent to the Service and General Administration Department for circulation to ensure strict adherence across all departments. First up, meanwhile, in a separate consolidated judgment on 8 petitions relating to recruitment in the health department, Justice Rashid held that appointments made to various posts of junior technician in Haveli district pursuant to an advertisement issued on May 10, 2025, and lack of transparency. First up, the court found that the selection process involved discrimination, allocation of interview marks, reliance on fake experience certificates, and acceptance of diplomas. First up,